So let's go ahead and build a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields for tools, name, descriptions, URL, and categories. So we can just go ahead and type it into this chat room right here. So I can say build my, actually, you know something, let's just tell it to xBesh instead of just typing, because this is also an amazing feature that we love about xBesh. So let's go ahead and just tell xBesh what to do. Build a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields for tools, names, descriptions, URL, and category. And just press enter. You see how simple that was. I didn't have to tell it anything complicated, and straight, you know, right away, xBesh is going to start putting together our project without us giving the tools, without us doing any of the tech work, okay? So let's go ahead and watch it. I think we just started, so the countdown starts now. Let me just look at the watch right now. I forgot to put the counter on the screen, but it's like, okay, so we are in the first minute anyway. I think we're going to be managing to do this in less than 5 minutes, guys. Now look at the speed of this thing. Look how fast it just codes. It already created over 300 lines of codes. I can see to the left. And if you look at the right of the screen, it says, I'll create a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields, tools name, description, URL, categories. So I'll build it using imported Osho template. That's cool. So it chose to use a template that is mostly used for blogs, platforms, online websites, and stuff like that. So the AI already picked up the best tech stack, the best development framework for our application. Now, depending what kind of application you're going to be asking for, it's going to choose different type of coding language, okay? It knows everything, all the coding language. So it's already done. Look at that, how fast. It created all the components, all the pages, the tool card, the category filter, layouts, index, about. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and let's see. The AI marketing tool is now ready. I've created a modern responsive website with the following features. A homepage displaying AI marketing tools with grid layout, category filtering. Okay, this is really cool. So let's go ahead and wait for it to finish. Look at the console over there. It's doing its thing. It's installing all the dependency, and now it's trying to start our project so we can preview it. Bam! I think that was faster than 2 minutes. And look at that. Look at the platform. Okay, it's already done. It has a menu. It has about. It's not looking bad at all. We haven't think about it. We haven't gave it any design instructions, and it gave us like a list of AI tools like Jasper, Copy AI, Surfer, Hotsuite, all of this, DALL-E, Midjourney. This is cool. This is very cool. It even put like 2025 on the footer. Okay, so since we have like a couple of more minutes, I'm going to ask it to do one more thing. Can you please enhance the design and make it look more futuristic, and also add a search function? Now look. Boom. Okay, so I haven't gave it anything specifically. I didn't tell them what to change, what to do. I just asked to, make it look better. Let's see if this is actually working. If I'm clicking here, awesome. So it already takes me to these websites. Okay, it's everything. It's it's doing, and it's all the links are working. Let's go ahead and see if we can make it better in the 1 minute left that we have on the countdown. Okay, it's working. It's working on the layout. Like, look at that. I'll enhance the design to make it more futuristic and add search function to the AI marketing tools directory. Now, the way we can run with it right now, we can ask to add more features, like add another page, add another, add the footer, change the footer. You can just go ahead and give it command, okay? You command it, and xBesh does it and delivers in minutes, okay? Now, this kind of technology may seem like alien technology. I mean, I wished I had this years ago when I got started, because the amount of money I've been spending with development teams is just ridiculous. And it also, the waiting time for development is far bigger than what we're getting over here. Look at how fast it just creates everything for me in real time. Okay, I'm doing this in real time, and I've also, picked this application from the chat, okay? I'm sorry I wasn't able to pick like all the others. There were so many good inputs over there. It was hard to pick one, but I think like this one is a really good example. Okay, but look, I know. It's okay, so let's just go ahead and click continue because we have went over 8,000. So we want to keep continue. So the AI knows exactly where to continue from. Okay, so it's when you click continue, it's just going to continue from where it left off. It's never going to change anything that you already did. Okay, so it's not going to mess with the previous code. Look at that. It just continue. It completes the index. Okay, now it's doing some extra thing over here. So let's go ahead and wait to see what happens. Beautiful. It works on the categories. Look. This is pretty cool. Now I want to do something really quick because most of the inputs was about tools, AI tools, all kind of SaaS platforms. But what about, building a game while we're live here? Do you guys want to see a game? Just type into the chat room if you want to see how xBesh, it's actually building you a game. Like we can build like Space Invaders, Flappy Birds. We can build Tetris. Just type in the chat room what kind of game you want to build, and I think I'm gonna be selecting one more game to build in xBesh live in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So we can play a little bit with it as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happened. Okay, it modified quite a bit. Animated background, floating gradient shapes. Okay, let's see if it's already started. Let me just go to the previous section. Now, boom! Look at that. It did it more futuristic. Okay, it looks really good. It has like hovering effects. Oh, look at it, and the search is working. Let's just search for. Let's see something from the bottom. Let's say Midjourney. Look at that. Fully functional platform, guys, in minutes. Not months, not weeks, not years, in minutes. Okay, and look how beautiful this thing looks, right?